Gratitude is not a polite thank you to life. It is the signature frequency of arrival. It is the evidence that you already stand inside the reality you once desired. True gratitude does not wait for proof. It creates it. On day 8 of the Millionaire Identity Shift, you stop treating gratitude as a reaction and begin using it as a creative act. You give thanks from the end, not toward it. You choose to feel the warmth, fullness, and relief of already having it all, because in consciousness, you do. The day opens with the most powerful form of thanksgiving, the gratitude of the fulfilled wish. You sit down with your journal and write as your future self, living the life you once dreamed of. I am so grateful that money flows to me with ease now. I'm grateful for my dream home, my soulmate clients, and the deep peace I feel daily. I'm grateful for the way wealth supports my freedom, my family, and my creative expansion. This is not a mental exercise. It's an energetic one. You let it become visceral. Your chest softens. Your eyes might well with tears. You close the entry with the seal of manifestation. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. It is done. Then, you deepen into a sensory gratitude practice. You thank your body, your hands, your heart, your voice for carrying you. You thank your mind for dreaming. You thank your past self for every choice that led here. A golden wave of appreciation radiates from your chest, expanding into your entire being. You whisper, "Everything I desire is already within me, and for that, I give thanks." Finally, you meet your own reflection. You look into your eyes and say, "Thank you for staying. Thank you for growing. Thank you for becoming her." It is not ego. It is reverence. The rest of the day becomes a moving prayer. You stop reserving gratitude for big wins and begin offering it for everything. A kind message, a deep breath, the sunlight across your kitchen counter. All of it becomes proof. You thank your money when you spend it and when you receive it. You look at your current surroundings and affirm, "This is already abundance." You begin noticing what your wealthy self would feel grateful for that your old self ignored. You see how a pause in stress is actually space for expansion, how a compliment is an energetic deposit, how a free coffee is a wink from the universe. Gratitude is no longer a mood, it is your identity. To root into this frequency, you listen to Neville's lecture, The Feeling of the Wish Fulfilled or Live in the End. He teaches that Thanksgiving is not after the fact, it is the fact. Prayer, he says, is simply the act of feeling the fulfillment as if it were already true. You reflect in your journal, what am I still waiting to appear before I allow myself to feel grateful? What would change if I decided to feel thankful before I saw it? The shift is subtle but profound. You are no longer reaching, you are receiving. At night, you enter Sats with a softness, not urgency. You lay down, relax fully, and imagine yourself in a simple moment from your wealthy life. Not one of excitement, but of comfort and ease. Maybe it's sitting on your balcony with morning coffee. Maybe it's walking barefoot through your dream home. Maybe it's checking your account with a quiet smile. You let the feeling of peace and fullness wrap around you. You silently repeat, "Thank you, thank you, thank you. I know it is done." This is not a plea. This is the language of arrival. In your evening journal, you capture the moments of gratitude that defined your day. What made me feel most grateful today? What did I thank the universe for before it showed up? What shifted when I focused on fulfillment instead of frustration? What abundance did I notice that I used to overlook? You close with the affirmation, "Thank you, it is done. I am already living it." Day 8 teaches you that gratitude is not a response to receiving. It is the signal that receiving has already happened in consciousness. It is your inner proof that the wish is fulfilled. You no longer give thanks for what you hope to have. You give thanks because you already have it. And when gratitude becomes your state, life rushes to prove you right. Because gratitude is not just appreciation. Gratitude is creation.